Soldering mistake number 13 is not properly supporting the copper pipe.
Soldered joints are not designed to take weight and stress. A copper pipe support hanger like this one will hold the copper pipe in position and take any weight or stress off the soldered joints.
There are many different types of copper pipe support hangers. Be sure to only use ones that are made from copper as shown in this picture, otherwise galvanic corrosion will occur to the copper pipe. Galvanic corrosion is a condition that occurs when two dissimilar metals come in contact with one another, which causes corrosion.
I hope you found this helpful. And if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wave.